Hello everyone, I'm Jose Santiago, the Center Coordinator for Audubon, PA, here at the Discovery Center. Today we will be learning how to use ebird in preparation for the upcoming Great Backyard Bird Count. The Great Backyard Bird Count is February 12th to the 15th. For those of you who don't know what ebird is, we will start with a brief introduction. ebird could be thought of as a large-scale community science initiative. ebird is a site in which primarily birders, but anyone, can submit their observations to a global database to assist in large-scale and local conservation effort. Now that we have a brief understanding of what ebird is, let's explore a bit more. ebird can be accessed at www.ebird.org, or you can download the free mobile app on any smartphone cellular device, wherever you get apps from. The first thing you're going to do once you access the site via mobile phone or website is you should create an account. So to create an account, it's really easy. Just type in your first and last name, choose a username, password, and enter your email address. For the purpose of this video, we'll be focusing on inputting data when we're in the field. However, if you do have the time or are really interested in some of the science behind ebird, I highly recommend you explore the website, where you can get a much larger, robust understanding of what ebird is and all of its applications and usages. This should be the home screen of ebird Mobile after your account is created. If you have not already done so, please allow ebird to access your location, since this allows for the most accurate form of data collection. Once that is settled, you should double check the date and time are correct and then click Start Checklist. If this is your first time using ebird Mobile, you might get a screen that asks you to choose a bird list. If so, you can either choose a basic set list or choose a checklist based on your county. Once you have made your decision on which checklist to use, you're ready to begin. All right, so our first step before we can even input any data is to make some observations. So we're going to look out on the reservoir and see if we have any species that we can document to put into ebird. One of the first things we notice here on the reservoir is that it is mostly frozen. The center is thawed out, where we have lots of birds congregating. Some of the birds we notice in that pile or clump are Canada geese. We've seen ring-billed gulls and lots of hooded mergansers as well. Because there were only a small number of species on the water, I decided to make the list more robust. I would go for a walk around the site. As you can see in the top left corner, I walked around for about 20 minutes and covered about half a mile. During that time, I got 9 different species, and on the left-hand side of each species name, I have the abundance of each species that was seen. When you've finished birding, press the stop button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and then press Stop Track. After this, you will receive a summary of your observations and your recorded data. If everything is correct, just press Submit and you are finished. Thank you all for watching today's video, and a special reminder that those dates for the Great Backyard Bird Count this year are going to be February 12th to the 15th. This is an excellent time for you to practice using ebird and get more familiar with it. You guys have a great day, and thank you guys for watching.